Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set home screen wallpaper on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then you have to scroll down, then here click on the wallpaper. So you can see this is the new, click on new. So from here you can set any wallpaper that you are comfortable. Okay, select from here any wallpaper. Suppose I select this, then click on apply. After you have been click on apply, you can see 10 option. Set as lock screen, set as home screen, set both, three option. Okay, so here is the three option to set for the lock screen, home screen, or for the both. Okay, suppose you want to set for the home screen, just click on second option, home screen, and here the wallpaper will be set successfully on your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.